Hi everyone, today we're going to go over how to export and import into OC Mobile. When you first set up OC Mobile, you'll need to ensure that you're signed in. We can do this under the settings, which is the gear icon at the top left, preferences, OC Mobile. You can then enter in your username and password. Once those are in, you can test the login, make sure that it's correct, and then save the top right if that's not already done. The next step is going to be to create the inventory that we're going to be exporting. So we can go back to the main menu, go into Count Inventory, click New at the top left here, choose the date we want to count, the type of inventory, in this case we're going to do in all items, and click Finish. Once the inventory is brought up, we can click Export at the top to OC Mobile, and then say it's exporting and complete, and at the bottom right it'll let us know when it's available for download on the device. The next step is to grab the device we'll be doing the inventory count on. If you are not signed in yet, click on Settings, enter in your username and password where it asks for it, click Sign In. Once you're done, you can click Done at the top. Now that we're signed in, we can then enter the app. Now if you're on an iPad, you'll see how it's displayed here. The left side of the screen is going to be your inventory and location selection, and then your right side is going to be the count sheet. On the left-hand side here, we can swipe down to refresh to check the server for any new inventories. In this case, we see the one we just exported, and then we can click on it to start downloading. Once it's done, it'll let you know what count sheets are available. In this case, it's just all items, so we can click on that to bring up our inventory. Once you're in here, you'll have the ability to change how you want to sort it if you'd like by clicking on the Sort By option down here, and you can choose any of the options we have available. In this case, I'm just going to leave it as location. You can then go into each location, put in whatever counts you have for the inventory, and then once you're done, we would hit back, hit this square with an arrow at the top here, and it'll ask us if we want to upload the count sheet. We can then click Yes. It'll start uploading and it'll let us know when it's successful. Once the counts have been exported, you can go back to the desktop, and at the bottom right, it'll let you know when the export is ready. When it is, you can click Import at the top from OC Mobile. Once you do this, it's going to give us three options: Yes to merge, No to overwrite, and Cancel to cancel the import. Merge is going to take the import and add it to the current count sheet that's on the desktop. No will overwrite what's on the desktop with whatever we're importing, and Cancel will obviously just cancel the import. If we're just importing from one device and you have no manual counts, it doesn't really matter whether you click No or Yes. If you are importing from multiple devices, you'll need to make sure you export from device A first, wait for it to tell you it's ready, then import and merge. And then you'd go to your second device and follow the same steps. Export, wait for the message to come up, import, and merge. We just have this one count, so I'm just going to click No to overwrite. Our counts will come in. We can then save the inventory, and then we can summarize it and finalize it. Thanks for watching.